Hey guys, Tony Thelma Survival and Tactics. I'm back out here at the forge today. Today I'm going to be making a paper towel rack. This is a 3-piece set. Alright, so I got 3 different pieces I got to work with. I got a 26 piece of 1/8 inch flat stock. Alright, I pre-drilled holes. Last time I did this was kind of a pain. I tried to drill after I had them formed. So what I did, I clamped the 2 pieces together and drilled the holes so they'll line up now. I might have to clean them out later, I don't know. Anyway, so you probably can't see. I punched here, and I punched here. These are going to be my bends, where I'm going to bend these into the proper position. Same way with this one. I got punch marks here, down here, and here. Alright, so this thing's going to be bent. It's going to stand up, it's going to go against the wall flush like this, alright? And then the paper towel, there'll be a rod running through the middle with the holes, and it'll hold it. It'll be pretty cool. I countersunk the back sides here because I want flush rivets when I put the rivets in here, so I countersunk them a little bit. That way they'll spread out and they'll hold a lot tighter. Last time I did this, I didn't do that. It held fine, but this time I countersunked it. So there's not a lot of forging on this. I haven't decided if I'm going to split this yet. I don't know. Split this and do a curl, or just fan it out and curl it around. I don't know. Anyway, but what I'll do is I'll texture the whole thing with a ball peen hammer, both of these. Alright, texture with the ball peen hammer, get the proper bends in it, make sure they're going to line up. I still have another hole to drill here and down here, but that's after I got it all formed. I'll drill those holes for our rod to go through the middle, then we'll rivet this thing together, and we'll have us a piece. I probably won't get this done today, so this will be within 2 days because I only got a little bit of time. Alright, let's get started. All I'm doing here is just flaring out this end because it's going to end up being a scroll. Now we're taking a ball peen hammer and we're just going to texture this metal to get all the stock look off of it. Flatten it out when it curves. Alright, we're just texturing it. We're going to do this whole piece. Guys, now I'm just going to use a hand fuller here and just put a couple decorative designs at the end. That one didn't work out very good. But they're going to be curled anyway. There'll be a scroll. I got the whole thing textured. Now I'm going to scroll this in. Alright, so we're going to try to start this scroll here. Bring it back up on us. Alright, we'll have to go back in the heat a little bit. here's today's product. This is the top piece of the paper towel rack. Alright, still got to drill a hole in here, but I'll get the other piece together and then I'll measure them up so the holes line up. So we'll work on this tomorrow. Alright, it's been a couple days. I'm back out here at the shop. Alright, so I'm going to start on this. What I'm going to do is I marked about 1.5 inches down with a punch mark. I'm going to draw this down to a taper. Then I'm going to take the my angle grinder and I'm going to cut a slit and I'll make basically two spirals out here. Alright, that'll be the top of this. Then I'll texture the whole thing. Then we'll put a bins in it. Just like this one. Put the same, well not the same bins, but the bins so they match. And then we will rivet it together. Alright guys, so I tapered that end down, then I cut it with the angle grinder, I split it. Now I'm going to heat it up, fold one end down, work on one end, alright, fold it back up, fold the other end down, work on the other end. So I got the top how I wanted it here. Now I'm going to do like I did on the other one. I'm not going to videotape this. I'm going to use the ball peen hammer. I'm going to texture this whole thing all the way down. Okay? So get rid of this factory finish. Alright, so I got the two pieces done here. Alright, now I got to mount them. But first I got to figure out where I want the hole. And I'm just moving this down for show here. Where I'm going to want the hole right here to hold the paper towel. So there'll be a rod right through the middle, down through here, paper towel going in there. Of course it'll be all the way through. I was having a hell of a time with this, so trying to get the bends right, worked quite a bit. Like we can see right here, we got a little different bends there. Oh well, it is what it is. Alright, so we're going to use it anyway. So I'll bring it down here. And figure out what, like 3 inches from this corner, 3 inches from this corner. Put a mark in them, and then drill them out. All right, third day of working on this. This has not been like 8-hour days. It's been like an hour a day, whatever. Anyway, I got the top hole drilled. You see I'm just holding it together with the clamp here. All right. Bottom hole drilled. Our rod's gonna go right down the middle here, just like this. Alright, so I've got to do something with the top up here to keep it from going all the way through. Paper towel goes in here, then it mounts flush against the wall. So I'm looking at it. Alright, I got to rivet it together, which I'm going to do here in a minute. Line these up a little better and get them riveted. I think first though I'm going to clean it all off with the wire brush. Alright. Alright, I got these two wire brushed now. They look a little bit cleaner, a little shinier. What I'm going to do, it's going to be a little bit different, is I'm actually going to get these hot and then I'm going to put the wax coating on them now before I rivet them. It's just too hard. I can't get this whole thing in the forge to heat it up. Now I don't have to get this glowing hot now. I just warm it up enough to melt the wax on it. So I'll do that first. I'll let that cool. I'll work on the center rod while this is cooling off. All right, and then last thing I'll do is rivet it together. All right, guys, the finished product here, paper towel rack. You didn't see a few things because this actually was a pain in the ass. I made one of these for Christmas. I did not have near the problems as I did this time, even though I did a better job, a little more precise. The rivets here had a heck of a time. I ended up having to get some help on the rivets. Someone helped me, so helped me hold it. Anyway, it's holding. All right, so it's riveted together. This is our centerpiece that holds the paper towel rack, or the paper towel, I mean. All right. And then I got to put a couple holes in to mount it to the wall. So, finished product looks like that. Alright, I'm skipping some of the process. Like I said, these aren't how-to videos. Here's how I do. I'm skipping some of the process because I'm really not getting much viewership of these. You know, I mean, there's not very many views of the forging stuff. So, I'm still going to make videos of it, but I'm not going to put every single process in there since not very many people are watching anyway. Alright? But, that's it. Alright, guys. Thanks. It's Tony with Wyoming Survival Tactics. Remember, train hard today for uncertain tomorrow.